Hello, my name is Jim Pitchford with the Pitchford Group, and I'd like to thank you for taking the time to view this property video today. Enjoy.
Welcome to 452 Raging River in desirable Riverwalk Meadows in Mason, Michigan. The great room features transom windows for maximum sunlight, a fieldstone gas fireplace with a heatilator, a cathedral ceiling, and it adjoins the formal dining area. You'll love the raised deck with a view of the pond with lots of wildlife. The Hickory kitchen has recessed lighting, a built-in china cabinet, pantry, and an eat-in area with a great view of the pond. The main floor master suite has 3 double closets, a full bath with a jetted tub for your relaxation. The second floor features 3 more bedrooms and another full bathroom. The large bedroom could be a multi-purpose room such as a home theater or second family room, currently used as a quilting room. The lower level has a full bath, egress windows, and a wood-burning fireplace. The 3-car finished and heated garage has 2 8-foot insulated doors.